up, everybody? Welcome back to Auditing Auditors episode 10. Today we are auditing Northern Audits. Northern Audits was recommended to me when I posted my first auditing review video, which was about DJ audits, and I've been watching him ever since. He's a very interesting auditor. He's quite calm, actually. I quite like his calm approach to auditing. But let's take a look at his channel anyway, so you can see I've got it listed by popular. You can see he's doing quite well. He's got some really quite big videos, 350,000 views on this one from 8 months ago. But let's have a look at his description. So it says, a newly established auditor from the north of England, building the channel one brick at a time. Please subscribe for a steady stream of quality audits, mixing groundwork and both day and night drone footage. And so I love drone footage. I love the fact that he's incorporated the drone in his logo as well, because I do think that the drone is an important tool that we can use to access areas that we might not have access to on foot. So I think drones are really important for audits. I'd love to get my own drone. So why don't we have a little look at Northern Audits' Social Blade account, because I do think that's an interesting way to see how he's getting on. So Northern Audits' channel was created on July 24th, 2022. So not even a year old, and he's already uploaded 45 videos, and that has led to 13.8 thousand subscribers and 2.3 million views, which is amazing. Well done, Northern Audits. A big applause to you there, my friend. And he is graded as a B-, which it sounds bad when it's got a minus in there, but B- is good. Like B-, like you can go all the way down to F. So it is good. I haven't not seen any auditor as an A yet. So if anyone knows any auditors that are A, that would be great if you can share it with me. But clearly he is doing quite well for a channel that's less than a year old. So it'd be interesting to see where he will be in 5 years' time. Let's see. So currently he's on 13.8 thousand subscribers, almost 14,000. So if you're not following him, people, help get him to that 14,000. That would be great. But in 5 years' time, he could have 600,000 more subscribers. He could be on 614,000 subscribers in 5 years' time. So that is an amazing projection for Northern Audits. So definitely go and follow him and help him reach his goals. Let's see if in 5 years' time if he reaches 1 million, because you never know. You never know. If he manages to get this far, he might even get further along. So good luck to you, my friend. So let's take a look at one of his videos anyway, because that's what we do here. We look at this and we look at one of your videos as well. So let's check it out. Let's go back to YouTube and go on to his videos. So the video we're going to check out is this one, and it was uploaded 6 months ago, and it's gained 17,000 views. Love it. Love that intro, buddy.
Alright then guys, welcome to another instalment of Northern Audits, and today I spotted this as I was driving past. It's Thales. Now, according to their website, they offer stronger defence through superior situational awareness. Some of the products that they've got added to their list: sonar, radar, unmanned systems, electronic warfare, avionics, communications and advanced weapons. So these guys probably know about the drone laws, I would have thought. It is, as you would expect, with such secure advanced weapon systems, the gates are indeed closed. Those gates look quite strong as well. We've got reverse parking only signs.
You see that a lot of places now with the reverse parking only things.
So let's see if there's any cars that have not reverse parked in. No, they all seem to be obeying the rule of reverse parking only.
Excuse me.
Hi there. Sorry.
You alright?
Yeah, fine.
Just what you doing?
Sorry, say that again.
What you doing?
Just, I mean, one of you speak. Like, decide before you come out. Okay, I'm gonna do the talking first. Like, don't talk over me. Like, how unprofessional is that? They're both screaming at him as he walks over. That is terrible. Very unprofessional, though.
Making a little video of the place. It's quite interesting.
You're not allowed on this building, mate.
Delete it?
Yeah, 100%.
Are these two like parrots of each other? Like, what is going on? Why are they speaking together?
I'm not going to delete the footage. Go on, that's silly.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's just the nature of the building. You're not allowed to film this building.
Why? What goes on in here? Is it secret?
It doesn't matter. You're not allowed to.
Anyway, what's your name, sorry?
It doesn't matter what my name is.
Yeah.
But you're not allowed to.
Alright, don't go with names then. Who are you, sorry? Just
It doesn't matter. The nature of this building, you're not allowed to video. You're not allowed to be here. It's a private building.
Who are you? Who are you to tell him that he can't do what he's doing? Like, you haven't got the name of the company on your shirt. You look like you're a security guard, but you're hiding your SIA license. Why is he supposed to listen to your authority? That's what I want to know. These people need to realise that you can't just order people about if you've got no authority to do so.
Okay. Well, all I'm saying is just to clarify who you are, that's all.
I have security on the site.
You're security on the site. What's this lady? Are you security as well?
Screw you, sir. Please get off the premises. It's private property.
Okay. Right, okay then.
That was rude.
Yeah, just having a look. Interestingly, it's reverse parking only here, and everyone's kind of doing the right thing, aren't they?
That's why, yeah.
Yeah.
If somebody puts something, you do it, don't you?
Yeah,
It's like
exactly.
we're asking you not to film.
Well,
Just like we're trying to stop you from filming. Well, there's no sign saying no filming, and if he's on a publicly accessible area, he's allowed to do what the hell he wants, mate. So go back inside and get on with your job.
what I came to do today, I'll let you know, right? Just came here to have a little look, just have a little film round.
Come in, mate. Ignore it.
What I'm going to do is I'm just going to fly a drone over. I won't be long.
You're not allowed to, mate. I'm telling you.
Well, bring the police, mate.
What? Yeah, but why am I allowed to? Why am I not allowed
Get
to?
off, mate. You're private. It's private property, private car park.
Yeah,
Get
this
off.
guy's just told me I'm not allowed though.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye. Okay then.
So he's so polite. He's so nice. Like, he's not being aggressive. He's being honest about his intentions, about what he wants to do. He mentioned about the reverse parking and kind of gave them a compliment that, oh, your staff are doing things by the book, and still they're rude and mean, and I don't like that. I don't like when people are treated so poorly, especially members of the public.
Right, there we go. Bit of a short interaction there. I think they're all heading back in. Hiya. Hiya.
Take a photo of me.
Yeah. I'm just recording the building. So, and then you've shown up. So I thought I'd just hiya. Enjoy. Take care. There we go. The security guard there saying don't speak to him.
Don't speak to him.
There we go. And he's heading in there. Right then, guys. The back bit is quite interesting.
Wow.
There is a bit of a security hut there. I don't think there's anybody in it.
So here's his drone video. Let's check it out. Let's see what Thales has from above. was incredible. I really enjoyed that. I love the juxtaposition of the drone shots between day and night. I thought that was a really good idea by going there in the daytime to see what it was like in the daytime and then going there at night. I think that was a really, really great audit there, and quite a short one. He is a bit different to other auditors. He's got a different kind of style, different kind of approach when he goes to meet these people, and when he talks to people, he is very polite. So I would definitely recommend going and subscribing to Northern Audits and checking out all of his clips and all of his films, because he really does put a lot of effort into each one. So thanks for watching this episode of Auditing Auditors with Northern Audits. What a great auditor. I would definitely recommend that you go and subscribe to his channel. I'll put the link in the description below. But if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know who I should audit next. Thanks everybody, and stay chill.